Hi, this is Bart Polson, and in this series of videos, I want to go through Zed Shaw's course called Learn Python the Hard Way. We're using it in one of my courses, and I want to show my students how to get through all of this stuff because sometimes you get stuck on very simple bits and pieces. The first thing I want to do is show you where the website is. If you come right here, it is called learnpythonthehardway.org, and it takes you to this page. By the way, it's part of the more general group of courses he has called Learn Code the Hard Way. We're going to be doing Python. There's another very similar one on Ruby, and there are courses he's developing on programming in C, on regular expressions, and on SQL. We're also going to be doing what's called the Command Line Interface, or CLI crash course, which is part of the appendix in Learn Python the Hard Way. Anyhow, this is the page, and I want you to know you can read the text of it for free online, or that's choice number one here, or you can buy the course for about 30 bucks and get PDFs and videos of everything. I did that as a way of supporting him. If you have the money, I encourage you to do it as well. But I am going to use the online version of this as a way of getting through these courses. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to come over here to this little hierarchy thing. I'm going to click on that, and that takes us to the table of contents for the book. So it's the third edition that we're dealing with. There's the table of contents. But I'm going to start, by the way, we have these 52 different exercises. I'm going to start with the appendix, which is about the command line crash course. And this will work on any kind of computer you have, as long as you have Python installed. We'll talk about that a little bit. But right now, thanks for coming. I'm going to get started on the command line, and then we'll start doing the exercises for Learn Python the Hard Way. Thanks.